to the entertainment pub. Due to coronavirus pandemic and nationwide lockdown, many Bollywood movies have postponed their releasing date. As a consequence, on one hand, small actors have lost their livelihood. On the other hand, producers are also struggling to make their money. At this crucial time, the movie makers are turning to the OTT platforms for a worldwide premiere. So, some of these movies are going to release in theaters or in digital platforms like Hotstar, Amazon Prime, Netflix, or ZEE5. There are many small and big budget movies releasing in next few months, and I have selected top 15 and hope that you will enjoy it. So watch it till the end and let me know your views about the selection in the comment box. Last movie of Sushant Singh Rajput, Dil Bechara, is going to be released on 24th July 2020. It is a romantic drama directed by Mukesh Chhabra. It is Chhabra's directorial debut. The story is inspired by John Green's novel The Fault in Our Stars. This movie has been postponed for many times. On 24th July, it will be released on Disney Hotstar. After Sushant Singh Rajput's untimely demise, this will be the last chance for his fans to see his new movie on screen. The movie is about two cancer patients fall in love unconditionally. Besides Sushant Singh Rajput, there are Sanjana Sanghi, Saif Ali Khan, Javed Jaffri and Milind Gunaji. Loosely based on Tom Hanks' Hollywood movie Forrest Gump, Lal Singh Chaddha is Aamir Khan's next movie. This movie is all set to release on 25th December 2020. It is also starring Kareena Kapoor Khan, Mona Singh and Vijay Satupathy. Aamir Khan has told about the character in Hindustan Times. This character is very lovable, he is so innocent, he has got the different way of looking at things. The movie is directed by Advait Chandan and written by Atul Kulkarni. After Three Idiots and Talash, this is the third time Kareena is working with Aamir Khan. This movie has shot in 100 Indian locations. Directed by Kabir Khan, 83 is a sports drama is going to be released in Christmas in cinemas. Ranveer Singh will be seen as Kapil Dev in the movie. He spent some 10 days in the house of Kapil Dev to copy the gestures and the way of speaking and all that. Chirag Patil, the son of Sandeep Patil, a Marathi actor, will play the role of his own father. Other actors include Deepika Padukone, Tahir Rajbhasin, Saqib Salim, Hardi Sandhu, Pankaj Tripathi, Boman Irani, Sahil Khattar and Amrita Puri. The title logo was released on 9th January 2020. Official trailer was set to be released by Reliance Entertainment on 11th March, but it was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Shakuntala Devi is a biographical movie based on the life of human computer Shakuntala Devi. The film is directed and written by Anu Menon. Vidya Balan is playing the character Shakuntala Devi along with Jishu Sengupta, Sania Malhotra and Amit Sath. Shakuntala Devi was an Indian writer and mental calculator. She earned her place of Guinness Book of World Records in 1982. The film was scheduled to be released on 8th May theatrically. Due to the lockdown situation, this film will be released on Amazon Prime worldwide, but the exact date is not announced yet. Rohit Shetty's fourth installment of Shetty's Police Universe is Suryavanshi. After Ajay Devgan and Ranveer Singh, this time Akshay Kumar is playing the powerful police officer in Shetty's movie. He will be seen as a DCP V. Suryavanshi, the chief of the anti-terrorism squad. Katrina Kaif, after a long time, will play the role opposite Akshay Kumar. Other co-stars are Gulshan Grover, Abhimanyu Singh, Jackie Shroff, Niharika Raizada, Javed Jaffri. Initially, the film was scheduled to be released on 24th March 2020, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it will be released in Diwali. Yash Raj Films' next movie, Shamshera, is an action-adventure movie. The movie is written and also directed by Karan Malhotra. Ranbir Kapoor is playing double role, both the central character Shamshera and his father. Vani Kapoor is playing a dancer. The movie is set in the 19th century and is about a Dakar tribe who rebelled and fought against the British for their rights and independence. Other co-stars of this movie are Sanjay Dutt, Iravati Harshe, Ronit Roy. A massive fort for the movie was built at the film city Goregaon. Vani Kapoor takes a professional training in Kathak for the movie. The film will be released on July 31st in standard and IMAX theaters. Flight Lieutenant Gunjan Saxena is the first woman Indian Air Force officer to enter a war zone. She made history when she flew a Cheetah helicopter in the Kargil war and rescued several soldiers. This real story is taken as the story of the movie The True Story of Gunjan Saxena, The Kargil Girl, starring Janhvi Kapoor and directed by Sharan Sharma. This film was set to release in March 2020 across the theaters, but it is now releasing on Netflix. Other co-stars of this movie are Pankaj Tripathi, Angad Bedi, Vinit Kumar, Manav Vij and Aisha Raza. The movie was extensively filmed across Lucknow. From a very young age, Gunjan Saxena wanted to join the Indian Air Force and always cheered up by her father, who was also an army man. She was assisted by Sri Vidya Ranjan to fly Cheetah helicopter in combat to help evacuate injured soldiers. Another sports film of this list is Tuffa, directed by Rakesh Omprakash Mehra and starring Farhan Akhtar as a national level boxer. Co-stars are Paresh Rawal, Mrunal Thakur, Isha Talwar. After Bhag Milkha Bhag, this is Farhan's second movie based on sports person. This is scheduled to be released on 2nd October 2020. Paresh Rawal, who was last seen in Uri, The Surgical Strike, will be seen playing Farhan's coach in the film. Farhan has trained extensively to play the role and gone through a complete physical transformation. The first and only mystery thriller movie of this list is Chehre, directed by Rumi Jafri. Amitabh Bachchan and Imran Hashmi are in the lead roles along with Ridhiman Chatterjee, Crystal D'Souza, Reha Chakraborty, Siddhant Kapoor and Anu Kapoor. Imran Hashmi and Amitabh Bachchan are playing the lead role as a business tycoon and a lawyer respectively. After Pink, this is Amitabh Bachchan's second lawyer avatar. We saw Ridhiman as a judge in the movie Pink 2. It was going to release on 24th April 2020. Due to the COVID-19 effect, it was postponed. Now it will be released on 17th July. Brahmastra is Ayan Mukherjee's upcoming action fantasy movie. It is the first movie in the planned trilogy, written and directed both by Ayan Mukherjee. Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Mouni Roy and Nagarjuna are in the lead roles. The movie is set to release on 4th December 2020 in standard formats, 3D and IMAX with dubbed versions in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam. This movie is an entry to the superhero genre in Bollywood. We have seen superhero movies from Hollywood. Now it's time to see what Bollywood gives us through this movie. Hindi version of Telugu language film Jersey is going to release theatrically on 28 August 2020. Jersey is a sports drama directed by Gautam Tinnanuri and starring by Shahid Kapoor. He portrays the character of Nani in the original version. Co-stars of this movie are Mrunal Thakur and Pankaj Kapoor. The story is about a 36-year-old cricketer who stopped his career as a cricketer 10 years ago, now aiming to play for Indian team. Shahid said in a statement to IANS, "It took me some time to decide what to do next after Kabir Singh. But the minute I saw the jersey, I knew I wanted it to be my next. To get into the character for this sports flick, he was trained hard to perfect his cricketing skills." Ruhi Afzana is a comedy horror movie which tells the story of a ghost who abducts brides on their honeymoon. This is Rajkumar Rao's second comedy horror film. Other stars in the lead roles are Janhvi Kapoor, Pankaj Tripathi and Varun Sharma. The movie is directed by Hardik Mehta. This film was set to release in June 2020, but the recent situation has interrupted the production. Ruhi Afzana was previously titled Ruh Afza. Janhvi, in a recent interview to Hindustan Times, said about the character in Ruhi Afzana, one of the most exciting, challenging, complicated, physically demanding, and emotionally taxing roles that I have had the privilege of doing. Janhvi has portrayed two contrasting personalities in the movie. Shershaah is a biographical war-action film based on the life journey of Paramveer Chakra awardee and Indian Army Captain Vikram Batra. The movie is directed by Vishnuvardhan. Vikram Batra and his identical twin brother, both roles are portrayed by Siddharth Malhotra. Kiara Advani has played as Batra's fiancée Dimple Chima. This movie is the entry of Vishnuvardhan as a director in Bollywood. This film is scheduled to release theatrically on 3rd July 2020. Siddharth Malhotra was trained as a military man for the film. Previously, the movie was titled as Mera Dil Mange More, but later it was changed to Shershaah. Yash Raj Films' next movie, Yash Bhai Jodedar, is a comedy and directed by Divyang Thakkar, a newcomer in Bollywood. Ranveer Singh is in the title role as a Gujarati man who believes in equal rights between males and females in the society. Shalini Pandey, Boman Irani, Ratna Pathak, Diksha Joshi are casted also in this movie. It is set to release on 2nd October 2020. Ranveer has said about this movie, "The sheer brilliance of the writing compelled me to immediately greenlight this project. Both humorous and poignant, Yash Bhai is right up there with the most solid on-paper material I have come across." Ranveer has transformed himself again for this movie, shedding many kilos and looked unrecognizable as a Gujarati man. As Ranveer said, it is clear that this movie has a powerful message for the society. Another entry of comedy horror film in this list is Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2. Akshay Kumar's Bhool Bhulaiyaa was immensely successful in the box office. Bhool Bhulaiyaa 2 is directed by Anees Bazmi and starring by Kartik Aaryan, Tabu and Kiara Advani. The director has recently declared that the second part will not have anything common with the first one. It will not be a psychological thriller, in fact it is going to be a ghost story. So this year is going to be haunted theatrically with the 3 ghost stories one by one. The film is set to be released on 16th October 2020. And that's all for today. If you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and click the bell icon for the upcoming notification.